finally, for the last episode, we are going to glue the wings to my old school shirt.
Yeah, and now put it on me. Do you see?
First, hold on, Jazz. First, this is the only glue I have. It's craft glue. And first thing to do it is get your wing. You're gonna put it on here like that. Well, first we have to cut the sleeves. That way it's easier.
Yeah.
Okay. First, we're gonna start off with the bottom line right here.
And I'm doing bottom on the bottom.
Since I don't have a needle, I'm not going to sew the wings on. So I'm just gonna glue them on. And let it dry. Cut that part. Now we need to cut the whole sleeve.
Yeah. And then we're in
Jasmine. We already used those for the wings. Okay, I cut this part. Now we need to cut the line. You see it? Okay. We don't want to miss anything now. Okay, this is just a little tiny bit tricky. Just do it next to the line, okay?
Okay.
Not on the line.
Okay.
It's okay if you cut the line, it's no biggie. See, you cut the sleeve.
Well, it's easier.
We're gonna glue the sleeves to the wings.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get this sleeve. If you want to do it a little faster, you can try to do both of them. That's what I'm gonna try. It's gonna be a little harder. But this video is probably gonna be a little long, so I'm gonna try to do it a little faster.
Baby, you gonna cut her? You cut her on your poster.
No. I want to mix this together.
The other one. I'll do it a little quicker. Jasmine, I have the blue glitter.
But I need to mix my own like this.
The blue glitter's right there, Jazz.
No, means this glitter.
Oh, but don't use that now, Jazz. I don't want you making a mess. You see Rainbow Dash is blue, so I'm doing everything in blue.
He's not too. He's not too blue.
See, I still need to cut the line right here. See, the reason why I'm going to use the sleeves is because the wings are plastic, and I need them to be hard a little bit. So I'm going to do that. That way they stick on better. I would sew them, but I don't have a needle. I have the string, but I don't have the needle. So
I'm
just gonna glue it on. I don't know if it'll work or not, but hopefully it works. Alrighty, I cut the sleeves. Now my shirt is sleeveless. It's like a tank top. Now I put the shirt down. Okay, this sleeve, we get the smallest wing, which is this wing. And you're going to do it like that. Well, it's on this side, so we're going to see if it fits. It's not. Does not fit, but I'm just going to put some right here. So,
Okay.
yeah, cut that. Mommy, don't you see I'm doing a video? This little tiny square. Okay, hopefully this works. Cross your fingers. Use the craft glue. Okay, the glue's on. Bye-bye. And if it's a little extra size, that's alright. Just put it on the wing. So okay, I'm gonna use my craft glue to do the side right here.
He said, my husband, being unhappy with my mood swings, bought me a mood ring the other day so he would be able to monitor my moods. And he showed me a picture of the mood ring. We've discovered that when I'm in a good mood, it turns green. When I'm in a bad mood, it turns a big red mark on his fucking forehead.
Don't.
Maybe next time he'll buy me a diamond.
Okay, that. That's what it looks like in the back. Okay, now that it works, we do the same thing to the other one. Let that dry. This one's going to be a little bigger. Okay. It can be whatever size, but let it be at least a little close to the sides. Okay, rectangle or square. Okay. Put it like this, like a square. It's a little big, but we can still put the craft.
it stays on the poster, not on the board. Thank you.
And there, and put the glue on. Whichever way you want to do it. Doing it like a square.
No, Mommy.
It's on. All the way. It's too big. And voila! Next episode, we'll be putting the wings on the shirt.